We are at one of my favorite stores to shop at, Five Below. I can't wait to see what new items they have and of course find some things to DIY. So let's go in and check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, there are so many new things at Five Below and things are getting really picked over. So I'm gonna show you some of my favorites and hopefully we can find some of the stuff we saw online. These Good Vibe pillows are so nice. They come in a ton of different colors. They'd be perfect for a dorm room or a kid's room as well. Love this blue one. One of my favorite things to shop for at Five Below are their rugs because they're super affordable. This rug right here is $5. They also have it in this kind of like burnt, I don't know what we call this color, burnt orangey pinky color. This is $5 as well. We're definitely grabbing this. You can get larger rugs as well. So if you're in need of a rug and don't want to spend a lot of money, come check Five Below out. So let's do a DIY with this. So I'm gonna lay the rug out flat and then I'm gonna cut the fringe pieces off of one side of the rug. Next, I grabbed a pillow form. Just grab any that you have on hand that you want to recover. And I measured about an inch past the edge of where my pillow is. I'm going to take that fringe I cut off and I'm going to hot glue it back to the inside portion so that I have fringe on both sides of my pillow. Next, I'm going to fold my pillow in half. I'm going to hot glue on two of the sides. So I'm going to do the edge first where the fringe is, and then I'll do along the edge. Make sure your glue has a chance to dry before you add in your pillow. From there, all you have to do is add in your pillow form. Then you'll just add hot glue to the edge, making sure to keep those fringe pieces out. And for $5, you recovered your pillow, and I love the way this looks. I'm working on a new project, you guys, and I need your help. I need to know your worst DIY disaster stories. Whether it's picking the worst shade of yellow for your kitchen, or maybe you tried a new DIY trend and it completely failed, I would love to know your stories. You can email me your stories at stories@lisbonmcdiy.com. Your story could be featured in an upcoming project, and I really appreciate your help. You guys, this is just $5, and no, I didn't open it. It was already like this. Promise. I'm gonna fold it back up now. In my daughter's closet, I bought some similar to these, like literally look identical baskets from Target that were way more expensive. I'm gonna buy these. They're $5 each to put accessories in. Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Love this laundry basket. There's only one of them. Things are getting really picked over here. $5 for this. Love the color, and this would be so cute. I'd love to have this in my daughter's room. So Five Below has the best stationery, notebooks, everything. I'm gonna show you some of my favorites. This little keyboard notepad is so cute. Look at how adorable these planners are. How much? I think these are just $5. Adorable. Guys, check out these pegboards. You can either get a black one or the natural wood. They're $5 each. Put maybe like 2 or 4 together. This is so nice. They would make such a great grouping on your wall. I definitely love this little canvas, $3. I'm gonna grab 2 of these and show you guys how to style them. You guys, look at this. If you guys love stationery, how great is this to put on your desktop? All these notes, days of the week. Love that. So I definitely need this collapsible bin for my car because things roll around everywhere when I have my seats down. So I'm gonna grab this one and show you how it works. They have a blue one and a pink one for $5. So I underestimated how big these were, you guys. They weren't a big car container. It actually came with 2 containers for $5. And I thought they would be perfect for snacks, but maybe not a great car container. So another one of my favorite sections at Five Below are definitely their pet stuff. They have a ton of great options that are super inexpensive. So let me show you some of my favorites. They have leashes, retractable leashes for just $5. They have harnesses, matching pet owner socks. I mean, do we need this for Moose? Probably not. One of my problems with the pet stuff here is that they don't have the right size for Moose. Moose is about 6 pounds and the extra small is for 9 to 11 pounds. So I feel like we need an extra small. Maybe we'll try an extra small and see if it works. Love this laptop tray, so cute for $5. And I love this big wood cutting board. We're definitely gonna do something with that. How amazing are these rattan shelves? They're $5. I love them. There's 4 here. I'm gonna grab all of them and style them on my wall. They're gonna be so cute. So with this tray, I'm gonna remove the pillow that comes with it. There's also some Velcro on here that I was able to remove fairly easily. Next, I'm going to take out the hanging pieces in the back. Now these use such tiny screws that they don't create a huge hole. Plus this wood is fake wood, so I was able to sand it down without filling the holes and it looked just fine. Now I wanted these to stay up on their own, so I'm going to add a bead of hot glue to where they fold down and I'm just going to hold them in place. Next, I'm going to add a construction adhesive glue like the Gorilla Glue. I'm also going to be adding in hot glue. The reason for this is because I want it to have an immediate bond, but I also want that long-term hold of the construction adhesive. Then I'm just going to press my board down on top, and this was so simple to put together, but I love the way this tray looks out on my shelf. This would also make such a cute centerpiece.
So when did you hear about Five Below? Because I feel like it's a new thing. Like, I didn't even know it was a store. I thought it was an ice cream shop.
I feel like I've known about Five Below for probably like 5 or 10 years, but really starting like looking here for home decor was probably within the last year. I love it. I didn't know they had all this stuff in here, and now I'm like obsessed and have to come every season.
I keep seeing more and more of them pop up. Do you think it's gonna start competing with Dollar Tree?
No, I feel like it's a different price point and they have a lot of like more stuff for kids, but I don't know. I mean, they could add more stuff and compete with Dollar Tree, but I feel like they're 2 different price points. These amber candle jars are gonna be really popular this fall. I love this one that says Mood and it smells really good, $5. Five Below just keeps getting better and better. I love so many things here. This little circle photo display is so cute the way it is. We're gonna make it a little bit cuter. I also love these accordion wall hooks for just $5. You can get them in black or white. I've bought them before on Amazon and they're a lot more expensive. These are like fall colors. Love these. So I'm thinking these jumbo paper clips would work on here. What do you think?
Let's see. How?
Like if we...
They look like they're the same size.
Yeah. I'm thinking they would be cute to like add photos, and then I'm thinking we should make this white. All right, let's do it. Let's cut to the DIY. That's exactly what I did to this photo display. I'm going to paint it with 2 coats of a flat white spray paint. I do one side, let it dry, and then I'll come back in and do the other sides as well. Now these paper clips are so cute. You can definitely add your pictures to this photo display, but it gives it a little bit something extra. And then I left the paper clips out for my daughter so she could have fun with it and use them throughout her room. These monthly dry erase calendars usually sell at HomeGoods for around $20, $25. You can get these for $5. I love this one. There's also this really cute one. It says things to do and it has all your days of the week. Super cute for just $5. Do you guys know anybody who's obsessed with these Squishmallows? They say only 4 per customer. Should we be buying these? Is this something we need? Let us know down in the comments. I hope you guys had fun shopping with me today at Five Below. Let me know if you guys have a Five Below in your area. I'm really curious to know. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe. I post 2 DIYs each week and you'll just get notified anytime I post. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.